Hello and welcome to Tech Savvy Community, where we share ideas, create projects, innovate new trends, put people first, work as a team, and recognize participants on their achievements. The main purpose of this community is to bring together programmers around the world irrespective of their gender and wealth, which means you can gain knowledge for free, get help on your projects, and enjoy a good life. We learn together, share ideas, create projects to solve problems, and involve anyone in the family or community. We will be very happy to have you on board since this is our first video on YouTube. Join our community or family now by subscribing, hit the notification bell, give us a like, and let's start a wonderful journey together, not only as friends but family. Join us on WhatsApp. Link in description. Python for all. Installing Python. Let's get Python set up on your computer. Head over to python.org, click on the Downloads section, and choose the version suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. Let's also add our text editor to make a semi-complete setup. Head over to VS Code and download the latest version. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. VS Code is a text editor that helps turn your logic code into binaries for the computer to understand and execute. There are a lot of text editors like Notepad++, Sublime Text, PyCharm, Atom, and many more. But in this tutorial, we are going to use VS Code throughout. Now that Python and VS Code is installed, let's move on to writing our first Python script. Writing your first Python script. Create a new folder and name it Python for me. Drag and drop the folder onto your favorite text editor or an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, which will basically open the editor. I'm using VS Code. In the text editor, navigate to the extension icon and type Python in the search box to download Python extension. Setup complete at this stage. So let's write a simple script that prints "Hello, world" to the screen. Let's set up our file, which will contain our code. On the welcome screen of VS Code, navigate to the file icon, click on it, and select a new file with the dot extension added and press enter to create the file. Example, hello.py. Type out the following code. Print "Hello, world." Press Ctrl+S to save the file. To run the script, click on the play button at the right top corner. You will see the play button only if you have Python extension installed as said previously. Great job! You've just written your first Python program. That's it for today's introduction to Python. We've covered what Python is, how to install it, and some basic concepts. I hope you found this helpful and are excited to continue your Python journey. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into variables, data types, and more advanced topics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos, cause the fun part is about to be revealed. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!